Viewers and subscribers, welcome to my channel, Atal ETN. ETN stands for everything that's necessary, which means once I find it necessary, I'll post it and I'll educate my audience. So please like, share, and subscribe. Go down in my channel, a lot of videos and shorts there for you to learn something. So this is me at work doing 45-degree backing, right? I'm gonna back between this chassis and this container. Now this is loaded with about 40 something thousand pounds. Yeah, I'm going in this spot. So it's a 45-degree backing. I have a video down in my channel for you guys. If you're interested or you want to learn, you could view that. So you have to be precise right now. Extremely precise. Right? Practice becomes perfect. It's not as hard as it seems. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Yep. And there we go. Stand by, guys. I have another video for you guys. Right? So it's 2 in 1. Next video I'll be showing you me back in a 20 feet rather container. Now the 20 feet container is quite difficult. It is the most difficult trailer to back. No questions asked, right? Because it's so small, as you turn, it swings. So you have to be gentle and precise. Yeah. So this is me doing an alley dock backing. So the dock is here. And what's made this more difficult than the other one is that this guy is driving a 53, right? And his tractor is all the way out in the road. Normally, you would have to use the line, which is right about, come on, right about there. The line would normally be right there for you to make a judgment when you're passing. But let's not go into that explanation, but it's kind of a little bit more difficult. One hard swing, this will go off completely. You have to be back and forth. I see a lot of guys struggle daily just to do backing with a 20-foot container. It's extremely hard. It's not as easy as it look. Yeah. And you want to be gentle with the brakes because this floor load, even though the mesh is there, you want to be gentle with them. You don't want anything to fall off. Yep. And there we go. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more. And I'll be posting stuff on a weekly basis. Sometimes the work gets hard and I can't get to post. But remember, subscribe to my channel. Thank you and enjoy.
Yeah. No, I don't